Please forgive me, Siddhant, that I did not believe you. I thought you were mistaken when you told me about this. Now I have come to know that Mr. Prabhakar was murdered. And now I understand why you were suspecting my dad. I cannot believe that Mr. Rao has done all this. And today it's proven that you weren't wrong and my dad is innocent.
No, Anushka. You only know half the truth. You don't know nothing about it. Your father is deceiving everyone. Without KK Reddy's permission, how would Rao commit all those murders? It's a very simple question. I have no doubt about it. Rao is just a pawn, a mere scapegoat. Your father is the real mastermind.
Siddhant, do you still suspect my father? The truth has been revealed and Rao confessed that he has committed all those murders.
Come on, Anushka. I am leaving now.
Go. Your father's calling you. Now he has proven that he's an innocent man and that Rao is the real culprit. So what are you going to do now, Anushka? Will you go with your father? Or will you go home with me?
Siddhant, I want to go home with you. But I will go with you when it is proven that my father is innocent. Do you know how difficult it is to live like a stranger in your own house?
You may live wherever you want, Anushka. But always remember one thing, that I love you a lot. And as for me, my work is not done yet. I want to reveal the truth about your father in front of everyone.
Sir, we need your statement as well. I am getting such an evidence which will make you believe that Siddhant sir was absolutely right.
If that girl gives a statement against KK Reddy, then KK Reddy will be targeted by the police. KK Reddy killed Mr. Sweetie and kidnapped that girl too.
Mr. Rao, where's that girl?
Which girl are you talking about, Anushka?
The girl who was with Mr. Sweetie. If you have killed Mr. Sweetie, then that girl must be with you, right? And why didn't you mention that girl in your statement? Tell us, where is that girl?
Which girl are you talking about, Anushka?
Dad, there was a girl with Mr. Sweetie. Mr. Rao, where is she?
There was no girl over there, Anushka. He was alone there, that Sweetie.
Dad, he is definitely lying or he is hiding something. If Mr. Sweetie did not have any evidence or a girl, then why did you kill him? and also hadn't you accepted that he was investigating and found out something because of which you killed him? Dad, in fact, Mrs. Sweetie called me and told me that he had found a strong evidence. Dad, he won't listen to me. Please ask him where that girl is. If he claims that he doesn't know that girl, then he is lying.
Rao, what is Anushka saying? What are you hiding? Who is the girl? Huh? Speak the truth. Where have you hidden that girl? Huh? Rao, where is that girl? Just speak the truth. If you do not tell us, Anushka will not trust you.
I have locked her up in a flat in Hoskas,
What's the address?
304 Vasundhara apartment.
You got your answer, right? Take him away now. Come on. Come on. Let's go home. Today was a very stressful day.
Siddhant is too much. He was missing last night as well.
Let him be, Mom. If he wants to catch Dad's murderer, then he has to take some action.
Yes, he was saying something about KK Reddy being under the scrutiny of the law. I'll open the door. Hey, tell us what happened.
Mom, it's proven that Dad's death wasn't natural. That he was murdered. Purva!
Purva?
Purva?
Brother, you know, despite all of that, I used to believe that it wasn't true. I did not mistrust you, but I thought that our father was so simple, that he was so humane, so kind. He had never harmed anyone. He never hurt anybody. Why would anyone kill him? But today, it's proven that KK Reddy killed our father. And we were supporting him. It angers me to think about it. You turned out to be better. At least you fulfilled your duty towards Dad. Dad must be very happy today. Very happy. You have proven that KK Reddy is a murderer. Finally, you have done it.
Siddhant? Siddhant, what's the matter? Why are you looking away?
KK Reddy got away, Mom. He turned Rao in, and Rao took the entire blame upon himself. He played such a trick at the last moment that I couldn't do anything. He turned the tables, Mom. In front of everyone and Anushka, KK Reddy was proven innocent.
Henceforth, I won't be able to trust anybody at all. He used to work at our house. I get scared when I think that he was responsible for our safety and he turned out to be a murderer.
Because of him, two people whom I love the most in this whole world have now become enemies.
How is Siddhant?
I don't know. You know, I feel bad for him the most. His suspicion turned out to be true. Today when he needs me the most and I am here.
Then why did you come here along with father-in-law, Anushka? You should have gone with him.
How could I, sister-in-law? He still suspects my dad.
But why? Everything has been proven now and Rao has confessed as well.
Yes, but he doesn't believe it. He still feels that my dad is behind all this and he's still working looking for evidence.
I have locked her up in a flat in Horse Khas.
Sister-in-law, I'll be right back.
Hey,
I'll be back.
Anushka,
How could I be so stupid? I shouldn't have come home with dad. I should have looked for that girl. I will go to that address and confirm the truth right now. And I will also find out why Mr. Sweetie and Siddhant are interested in that girl. I want this matter to end as soon as possible. I hope this misunderstanding gets cleared so that I can live happily with Siddhant.
Anushka knows where that girl is. If she gets suspicious or if Siddhant tells her something, then she'll go check up on that girl. Listen, do one thing. Move that girl to some other place at once. Sorry, Rao. You had to make such a huge sacrifice for KK. But KK will promise you that your sacrifice will not go in vain. KK will kill Siddhant for the sake of your sacrifice.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले